What if I told you most forex traders don't fail because of bad strategies, but because of bad goals? They chase money instead of structure. They want profits without a plan. And that is why 2026 will look the same as 2025 for many traders. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how forex traders should set clear, realistic, and profitable goals for 2026. Whether you are a beginner or already existing trader, if you are looking at taking or leveling up your forex trading this year, then watch this video to the end. And for those of you who don't know me, my name is Lamidi Sikira, popularly known as KiraForex. If you've not subscribed to this channel, hit on that subscribe button. And also, if you are not part of my Telegram channel, hit on the link in the description below. Join us and level up your trading game this year. First, stop setting money-only goals. Let's look at some of the biggest mistakes traders make. They say things like, I want to make $10,000 a month. I want to flip my account. I want to quit my job. Listen carefully. Money is not a goal. Money is a result. If your only goal for 2026 is money, you will overtrade, revenge trade, and break rules. Instead of asking, how much money do I want? Start asking, what kind of trader do I want to become? Because once you become a disciplined trader, the money follows. Second, set identify-based trading goal. Your first goal for 2026 should be identify-based. For example, in 2026, I am a disciplined trader who follows my plan. I am a trader who risks properly and respects drawdown. I am consistent, not emotional. Why does this matter? Because your identity controls your habits, and your habits control your results. Write this down. I don't chase profits. I execute my system. Make this the foundation of your goal. Third, create skill goals, not just profit goals. Instead of saying, I want to make money in Forex in 2026, set skill-based goals like master one trading strategy only, improve entry timing, improve risk management, improve patience and discipline. Example skill goals for 2026. Backtest my strategy for at least 2 years of data. Journal every single trade. Reduce overtrading to 0. Take only A+ setups. When your skills improve, profits become inevitable. 4. Set realistic trading metrics. Your goals should focus on risk per trade, win rates, consistency, drawdown control. Example of realistic goals. Risk 1% or less per trade. Aim for consistency, not perfection. Focus on weekly or monthly performance, not daily. Protect capital first, profit second. Remember, a trader who survives long enough will eventually win. 5. Process goal for daily and weekly routine. This is where most traders fail. They don't have a routine for 2026. Your goal should be a daily trading routine, a weekly review routine, a monthly performance check. Example, daily, analyze markets, wait for setup, journal trades. Weekly, review wins and losses, note mistakes. Monthly, adjust strategy if needed. Success in Forex is boring, repetitive, and structured. If your trading feels chaotic, your goals are wrong. 6. Mindset and emotional control goals. Let's be real, Forex is 80% psychology. So your 2026 goal should include mindset goals. Stop revenge trading. Accept losses calmly. Detach emotions from money. Trust your process. A powerful goal to set. In 2026, I will not break my rules even after losses. 7. Long-term visions for 2026 and beyond. Ask yourself, do I want trading as a side income or a full-time job? Do I want funding? Do I want consistency over hype? Your goals should align with what you want to be in 3 to 5 years, not just the wins. 2026 is not about getting rich fast. It's about building a trader that cannot fail. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, comment your goals for 2026. Remember, set goals that build a trader first and money will follow. See you in the next video. Trade safe.